77th Republic Day to all. Today is a very significant day for all of us in India. This is the day our constitution came into force, shaping India into the world's largest democracy.
It is a moment to honor the ideals that define us and celebrate the progress we continue to make together. Every year, India proudly invites foreign dignitaries. In an unprecedented move, India invited presidents of not only a country, but presidents representing 27 countries.
Yes, the chief guests of the Republic Day Parade 2026 are the European Council President Antonio da Costa and the European Commission President Ursula von der Leyen. Let us show you some glimpses of how we celebrated this day with much pride and honor at our school today.
What message would you like to give to the youth of our nation for the progress on the occasion of 77th Republic Day?
Firstly, I would like to congratulate the entire Bharat on the 77th occasion of Republic Day. Youth is the future of our country. I would like to request each and every youth of our country to contribute in nation building. It's the need of the hour. Our Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji has dreamt about a Viksit Bharat 2047, and it's our duty to make a contribution in that. So I request entire youth of our country to please come forward and help the country grow. I would like to congratulate the entire Ryan Group for completing 50 glorious years in education sector. I have seen the education what Ryan Group has provided to the youth of our nation, and I have seen the entire group grow. My best wishes for the near future endeavors.
On this glorious occasion of our National Republic Day, we rededicate ourselves on serving our country with the values that we have learned at Ryan for last 50 years. Happy Republic Day! Jai Hind!
I want to give the message that do not take this freedom, this development what we have achieved so far as a granted. Our forefather, our great leaders have worked very hard to achieve this, has led their life. And that is the reason we are here today. We are now a developing nation, and we want our all youth have a common thought, have a joint thought. We have to make our nation a developed nation by 2047 as envisioned by our great Prime Minister Sri Narendra Modi ji.
First of all, I would like to congratulate Ryans for completing their 50 years and many more to them. For the youth, I would just say that aim high, dream high, and continue your hard work. Don't look out only for success, but at every step, just see how best you can do, and you will surely reach to the end.
on this beautiful occasion. First, I thank the God for giving me the privilege of coming here today. Second, I thank every teacher who has put every sweat and blood into this event. It was wonderful an event. My message, Ruk jana nahi. No youth, no child must stop anywhere. Build on your weakness, use all your strengths and find your purpose. Fulfill your day. Stay blessed.
First of all, congratulations for the 50th anniversary of Ryan International School and all the students, especially, and because the Ryan is giving the best education to all the India and as well as the world. So we thank you for that. And my message to all the students, they must acquire more knowledge, because the knowledge is, if they are acquiring more knowledge, they can do anything. Because today India, we are going towards digital. So without knowledge we cannot do anything. So they have to learn more knowledge and complete their education, go the next level and do well for the society as also so for the nation. Do well.
Wishing you all a very happy Republic Day and wishing Rayani Group of Institutions heartiest congratulations on completing 50 years of excellence. Way more to go. So I would request the students to respect the elders, protect our environment and work sincerely for the progress of our nation. I would like to conclude by quoting Kavi Bhushan Kumar. सिर्फ हंगामा खड़ा करना मेरा मकसद नहीं, सिर्फ हंगामा खड़ा करना मेरा मकसद नहीं, सारी कोशिश ये है ये सूरत बदलनी चाहिए। मेरे सीने में नहीं तो तेरे सीने में सही, हो कहीं की आग लेकिन आग जलनी चाहिए। जय हिंद, जय भारत।
Republic Day is more than just a national holiday. It's the heartbeat of India's democratic identity. The day holds deep patriotic meaning and celebrates India's transition from colonial rule to a self-governed nation.
The theme for 2026, Green Growth and Digital India, reflected India's vision for sustainability and innovation.
This day reminds us that the power truly rests with the people of India and our rights and responsibilities are protected by the Constitution. On that note, this is YJ Jia.
And this is YJ Dvita signing off for Young Journals on Ryan TV.
आप सबको गणतंत्र दिवस की शुभकामनाएं।